Good evening, guys. How are you? Hope you're having a great time learning, and learning right from 6 in the evening till 10 at night. Isn't it? Amazing, guys. So, today I have got you multiple things that includes spelling, usage of words, and fill in the blanks, multiple usage. Amazing. So, welcome to this amazing session, guys. We are going to have a great time. So this is Bobby Yadav and I have taught for various common written exams like Math, PGCET, banking exam as well as CAT, which is my forte. Guys, I have also trained LIC employees for internal promotions as well as for pre-recruitment training. I have over a decade's teaching experience for these common written exams and I have worked for several renowned institutions before I joined an academy. Please subscribe to CAT Live Daily. I repeat, guys, please subscribe to CAT Live Daily. Amazing. Welcome, guys. Welcome, all of you. Have a very good evening today and a great learning experience. So I am sure that all of you have downloaded the Telegram app. Those students who have joined us newly, please download the app and click on the URL which is shared by our team members on and off during the session, and then look for the CAT channel. Once you look for the CAT channel, you will be able to join us and you can download the PDF which is required right for the session. Great, guys. And I would also want you to note my Telegram ID, that is Bobby Live, and you can contact me in this. If you would want to contact me, please contact me on Telegram, and this is my Telegram ID. Great, isn't it? Amazing. Please note it, guys, then I'll move forward. Yes, guys, clear? Fine. Next we come to the most important thing, which is the Unacademy subscription, guys. You know that your exams are fast approaching and those who require help, please go ahead and take the subscription. It is for your own good because the subscriptions are reasonable and very, very pocket friendly. Let us hold your hands and take you to the CAT exam. Guys, for 1 month, the subscription is just 3,500 per month. 3 months, it's just 2,917. 6 months, it's 2,333. 12 months, it is 1458. 24 months is just 875. So the longer the duration of the subscription, the lesser it is, guys. So you will not get such an amazing offer anywhere. Please go ahead and take the subscription, and if you use my coupon code BYLIVE, you will get an additional discount of 10%. So isn't it amazing, guys? Great. Please go ahead and take the subscription. Then I go on to the next. So guys, we come to the topic of the day, that is spelling, usage of words, fill in the blanks in multiple usage. So guys, please be very, very careful because there are words, certain words are missing and you have to choose the correct option. The spellings, guys, one more thing, the spellings form a very, very important part of your entire preparation because when you actually write down an essay or any in your WAT sessions, you need to be perfect in your spellings, isn't it? So please concentrate on the spellings. You must concentrate, and how to select the words for your fill in the blanks or to correct a sentence, you need that understanding, isn't it? So please go ahead and concentrate and take this session seriously. Excellent, guys. I move ahead. Okay, so this is the first question of the day. Please read the question properly even before you start answering. Okay. So the question presents a word that may have been spelt incorrectly. So here they are asking you about the spelling. From the choice provided, pick the correct spelling or pick no error if you think that it is appropriate. Okay. So the first one is enthusiastic. Please take 1 minute. I will not accept any answer before a minute. So we'll wait for a minute and then decide on the answer. Think and then pick your answer. Great, guys. Move ahead. Please start picking the answer. Yeah, see certain words, though, to pronounce it's easy, but then when it comes to the spelling, you often get confused. Okay, so this is just an effort for you to recollect the spellings, the so that you don't make any mistakes, right? Yes, guys, go ahead and choose your answer quickly. Also, yesterday there were certain students who pinged me saying that they require a session on the tones of RC. So I am planning to do it shortly, guys. You will hear from me soon. If I am able to do it, I may do it tomorrow also, but I'm not promising you. Let's see. Okay? Okay, guys, are you ready with the answer? Yeah, the answer is, of course, 3. The answer is C, which is enthusiastic. This is SIAS. Here it is spelled wrong, isn't it? So here is the mistake. Guys, clear about it? I hope you don't have a problem. Excellent. Yes. So if you have a doubt, please ask. Go ahead and to the next word. Again, the same thing. The question presents a word that may have been spelt incorrectly. From the choices provided, pick the correct spelling or pick no error if you think that it is appropriate. Go ahead, guys. I'll give you a minute's time. Quickly. Please go through the words properly before you select, guys. Don't be in a hurry. You are getting a minute's time for all this. All the students who have joined in this session, a very, very warm welcome to all of you. Enjoy the session and learn a lot. That's my motive. That's it. Guys, please go ahead and select the correct answer. Are you able to figure out, guys? Figure out, jaldi jaldi. Yes, so now I want you to give me the answer, guys. Please maintain the 1 minute rule. Please do not answer beforehand. And this spelling is correct. There is no error in the spelling. So your answer should be ye. How many of you got it correct? How many of you? Excellent. Excellent. Can we move on to the next one, guys? the third question coming up for you. Fluctuation. Yes, please go ahead, read the spelling properly, go through the options carefully, only then select, guys. Please do not be in a hurry. Yeah? Yeah. Go ahead, guys, go ahead. And choose your answer wisely. Yes, guys, please follow the 1 minute rule. Do not answer before. You have to give a fair chance to everyone to answer, isn't it? So it's not fair on those students who take a little bit time and who think an answer. So please do not answer before a minute. Yes? Great, guys. I think by now you would have chosen your answer. So the answer is fluctuation. This is the wrong. This is the right answer. This is wrong. UK is wrong. It is UC. Fluctuation. Fluctuation. Many a time, guys, if it is a difficult spelling, try to break that word up and then come to the correct answer. See here, even this S is also wrong, right? So Fluctuation. That's the correct answer. Excellent, guys. Can we move ahead? Super. Yes. Now, guys, in this is a different type of question. It says in each sentence below, 4 words have been printed in bold. There is a mistake here. So have been printed in bold, which are lettered 1, 2, 3, 4. One of these words may be wrongly spelled or inappropriate word. You have to choose that word. Okay, now all these words which are in bold, guys, among those words one can be wrong. So you have to be doubly cautious and select your answer. Please do not do it in a hurry. I repeat again, guys, nobody is going to answer before a minute. Yeah? So please go ahead and answer. Read the sentence properly and then choose. It is a no-brainer that India and Pakistan have no option but to engage in dialogue to resolve the issues that trouble their relationship. And the last option is all correct. So you please choose your answer wisely. Please choose your answer wisely, guys. Do not make any mistakes. Yes, guys, please think and then answer. There may be a mistake in one of the printed words which are in bold. Okay, one of the words or maybe two of the words. So go through the sentence carefully. only then answer, guys. Please do not do it in a hurry. I go on repeating this, but I don't know how many of you follow it. चलेगा? Can we discuss? ठीक है. It is a no-brainer. No-brainer means that it is understood that India and Pakistan have no option, they have no choice but to engage in dialogue. In dialogue means they have to get into a conversation to revolve. Revolve means what, guys? It is rotation, right? So it cannot be revolve. It has to be resolve. Resolve means when they have to sort out the issues that trouble their relationship. Did you follow, guys? It is easy, isn't it? So it's a no-brainer that India and Pakistan have no option but to engage in dialogue to to solve the issues that trouble their relationship. I think it is clear. Okay, we will move on to the next question. Look at the next question. Maryland postponed a bond sale after it was praised that its credit rating would probably be lowered in the event of a federal downgrade. Please concentrate on the bold words, guys, and it is not easy. Sometimes, see, guys, what is it given in each sentence? 4 words are printed in bold, which are lettered 1, 2, 3, 4. One of these may be wrongly spelt or inappropriate word. In case it is an inappropriate word, you have to replace it with the correct word. Understand that. If it is inappropriate in this context, you have to replace it. So be careful when you are choosing your word. Please be careful. Any which ways, before a minute you're not going to answer. Here you have to replace the word. So you have to be doubly careful, guys. So be very, very careful before you choose. Understand what is being said. Only then choose, guys. It is not as easy as it looks. Yeah. So, can you go ahead? Please, guys, choose wisely. Don't answer in a hurry. Yeah. So let's discuss this now. So Maryland postponed a bond sale. She wanted to sell a bond. So she postponed it. What was the reason for the postponement? The reason was after it was praised. Obviously, praise is the wrong word used here, right? So what are you going to use? After it was dashed that its credit rating would probably be lowered. So she had an idea that the credit rating would probably be lowered. So what would be the correct word to be used here? It would be after it was warned. After it was warned that its credit rating would probably be lowered in the event of a federal downgrade. Did you follow, guys? Yes? Very, very sure. I hope there is no this thing about it. No doubts. Right? Fine. We will move on to the next one. Okay. Again, the same thing, guys. So you have to be very, very careful about the words used, about the words which are used in bold. Read the sentence well. and then decide which word to use, which word you need to replace or you need to correct, or if it is wrongly spelled, you have to be careful about that. As the man on his bicycle went under the branch, the raccoon swung down by his feet and grabbed the man's hat with his front claws. All correct. Now find out what is the mistake here. Think, guys. Don't be in a hurry. I know this is a tricky one. This is quite a tricky one, but you need to be doubly careful. Quickly. Yes, yes. Are you not able to find out what is the mistake here? See, there's logic behind every question. So please use logic when you are solving these kind of questions also. Yeah. So, sometimes you student may feel that, these are so very easy. Why is ma'am giving us such questions? But no, it is not easy. So just think, use your brains and then do it. Okay, guys, can we discuss this? So, as the man on his bicycle went under the branch, there is no problem till now. The raccoon. Now, guys, first let's see what is a raccoon. Raccoon? Raccoon is an animal which looks like a fox, right? An animal like a fox. So this is an animal now. See, when we talk about swung, no, so many students may think, कि swung मतलब वो bird हो सकता है, right? But bird नहीं है ये है animal, right? So down by his feet and grabbed the man's hat with his front claws. Now, guys, where is the mistake? The mistake is in claws, isn't it? Now, an animal will not have a claw, an animal will have a paw. So, it has to be paws. Claws, birds will have claws, right? So, how they have framed the sentence to confuse is that the raccoon swung down by his feet, grabbed the man's hat with his front paws. It is not claws. Did you follow, guys? Wasn't it an interesting question? Fine. We will move on to the next question. Great. Again, the same type, guys. I have got you quite a few so that you get used to this kind of questions. Please read it carefully. The infection was such that if a man had even one fickle, it appeared to spread all over the nose and mouth. Please think and then answer. Yes, please read and please, guys, please follow the 1 minute rule and do not answer before time. Think. We are not in a hurry, guys. Please. Yes, guys, please think and then answer. We are not in a hurry, isn't it? Chalo, chalo. Hmm. The students are coming up with various answers, but please, guys, think and answer. Okay, now I will discuss this question. So the infection, so there was a certain infection was such that if a man had even one, now fickle is what, guys? Fickle means when you are undecided, right? Fickle, so you can't have a fickle here. Nah, the man can't have a fickle. Okay, so the fickle, it appeared to spread all over the nose and mouth. So the answer, it should be something related to a disease or something which spreads, right? So this is freckle. What is a freckle, guys? Now, those freckle, if you see very fair-skinned people, they have these brown spots on their nose and cheeks, right? So, what they are saying is that even if they have one brown spot, over a period of time, it tends to spread all over the nose and mouth. Okay, so this is not fickle. The word has to be replaced by freckle. Okay, guys, fine, followed. Can we move on to the next question? Amazing. Yes. Please read carefully and then answer, guys. Read carefully and then answer. So the Maharashtra legislature was adjourned after the opposition created commotion over free housing for the mill workers. All correct. Now please see which one has to be replaced or what is the problem or whatever it is. Please find out. You people have to find out, not me. Concentrate, guys, please, and do not answer before a minute. Yes, please go ahead and answer. Chalo. Okay, guys, can we discuss this? So, the Maharashtra legislature, that sounds fine, was adjourned, fine. After the opposition created, okay, the opposition created something, commotion, fine, over free housing for the mill workers. Oh my God, all are correct. This answer is correct. So, it is 5. Sorry, guys, wait one second. When you try to underline, it goes haywire. Here, one second. So here your answer is all correct. Nothing is wrong, guys. It is all correct. Fine. Clear, guys. I don't think you would have also found anything wrong with this. So I guess it is okay. Fine. We will move on to the next question. Yes, guys. Ready for the next question? Yeah. So, society women found their arrangements disturbed and upset by the continuously necessity to attend the polling stations. All correct. Please read, guys. This is a little tricky, so do not answer in a hurry. Think and then answer. Yeah, I'll give you, if you want more time also, I will give you, but I want you to get a correct answer. Yeah, fine. Be very, very careful about the words in bold, okay? So either it has to be changed or replaced, or if you find a spelling mistake, you have to note that. Please be careful. And guys, जल्दी जल्दी से like और share कर दो. जल्दी जल्दी like और share कर दो ये video, so that I can help you with more and more and more practice exercises, so that you can excel in your CAT exam. Please जल्दी जल्दी like और share करो फटाफट, because आखिरी में सब भूल जाते हो आप लोग. करो जल्दी जल्दी, it will take just a second. Yes, फटाफट like और share कर दो. Excellent, excellent. Are you able to figure out, guys, what is the change required here? Hanji, can we discuss? Yeah? Okay. Now let's see. Society women found, okay, they found something, their arrangements, मतलब whatever उनका जो तैयारी है, they found that their arrangements disturbed. वो तैयारी बिगड़ गई है and upset. By what? By continuously necessity. Now you know there is a problem here. You know there is a problem here. It can't be a continuously necessity, isn't it, guys? So what should be the apt word here? Continual. Continual necessity to attend the polling stations. Did you understand? Continual necessity, that on and off they had to attend the polling stations. So that was what was disturbing their arrangements. Right, guys, did you follow? All of you, are you clear about it? Excellent, guys. Very good. If there is any doubt you have, you can ping me on Telegram. You know my ID by now, so please do ping me on Telegram and I will try to resolve your doubts. Excellent. Can we move on to the next question? Super. Chalo, again, this is a tricky one, guys. I'm warning you beforehand. It is a tricky one. Please read it properly. The children were excited about the recreational trip their school organized on the yard across the river. You have to use your reasoning skills, guys. as I keep telling you, no, all these questions, you have to analyze it properly. These small things also prepare you towards a larger goal. Small things like this, prepares you step by step. It prepares you to go and achieve the larger goal, right? So please do not take it lightly. Concentrate and take the question seriously. So okay, guys, I would also want you to give me feedback. Key, what are the sessions you are really interested in and where you are weak in, so that we can have more sessions of that, and I can plan my sessions accordingly. I would really want to know what kind of sessions you want, so that I can help you. Of course, there were some of the students who were reaching out to me about taking a session on the tones of RC, which I will be doing shortly, maybe tomorrow or very soon. Okay, just let's see. I'm not promising it will be tomorrow, but I'll do it. I will let you know beforehand. So I would definitely want to know what other sessions you would want to have on a regular basis, and I can plan my sessions accordingly. ठीक है ना? चलो guys, समझ में आ रहा ये क्या करना है? The children were excited about the recreational trip their school organized on the yard across the river. On the yard across the river. Able to figure out, guys? Yes, yes. So let's just discuss. Okay. Now, what is it saying? The children were excited. So the children were excited about the recreational trip. Recreational trip means, every year the students are taken out for an excursion, right? So recreational trip would be like an excursion. Their school organized. So यहाँ तक तो ठीक है. On the yard. Now, can a yard be there across a river, guys? It can't be, na? So this is a wrong word. So what is it saying? On the dash across the river. So it has to be yacht. What is a yacht? Yacht? What is a yacht, guys? A yacht is a medium-sized sailing boat. So this is a medium-sized sailing boat. So the school had organized a recreational trip on the yacht across the river. Okay? Is it clear, guys? I hope there is no doubt. In case there is a doubt, please ping me on Telegram. Great. Let's move on. Guys, जल्दी जल्दी like और share किए कि नहीं? फटाफट like और share कर दो. Let's move on to the next one. Global warming has an adverse effect on the environment and hence it must be prevented. Please think and then answer. I'll give you a minute, guys. Don't answer before a minute, please. Yes, guys, please do not get distracted. Concentrate on the work given to you. Concentrate on the question. Please answer properly. Yes, global warming has an adverse effect. Effect is wrong, isn't it? So, adverse effect. उसका रिजल्ट गलत होता है ना, वो ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का रिजल्ट, इट हैज अ बैड इफेक्ट ऑन द एनवायरनमेंट, हाँ, एंड हेंस इट मस्ट बी प्रिवेंटेड. इफेक्ट नहीं होता, इफेक्ट होता है. गाइस, व्हाट इज इफेक्ट एंड इफेक्ट? क्विकली, जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इफेक्ट एंड इफेक्ट? Effect though, it is a bad result, right? What is the meaning of effect, guys? जल्दी जल्दी बोलो. Affect is, what do you say? You can say, say a bad influence. Affect can mean a bad influence. Whereas here we are talking about that global warming has a bad effect. The result of global warming is bad on the environment, right? So that is the difference between effect and effect. Very good. Let's move on to the next question. Now guys, again there is a different set of questions here. Now in each of these questions, two sentences A and B are given. Now, each sentence has a blank in it. 5 words, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, are suggested. Out of these, only one fits at both the place in the context of each sentence. So, number of that word is the answer. So, guys, you have to select one word which will fit in both the blanks. Okay? गलती मत करना. प्लीज बी केयरफुल एंड देन वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट इट इज एक्चुअली टॉकिंग अबाउट. ठीक है, जल्दी जल्दी करो, जल्दी जल्दी मत करो, सॉरी सॉरी, जल्दी मत करो, आराम से सोच के करो. ठीक है. He looked dash when I asked him why he had not applied for a job. And the next one is, the pilot sometimes occupied her dash days reading detective novels. Carefully guys, do not make mistake. सोच लेना before you answer. Yeah, please go through option by option. In such cases, what you should do, take option 1, put it in both the blanks and see whether it is making sense. If it is not making sense, move to the second option. That's how you are supposed to do it. ठीक है, एक एक करके ऐसे you have to eliminate and then come to the correct answer. Guys, only one word you have to choose which will fit in both the blanks. ठीक है. So guys, are you all done? Can we discuss? Yeah, he looked dash when I asked him. So guys, empty, no, occupied are empty days. You never have words like empty days, right? Disappointed again doesn't work. He looked disappointed when I asked him why he had not applied. Okay, here at least it's okay. The pilot sometimes occupied her. Disappointed days, no. So leisure and trouble in the same way will not apply. Your right word is blank. Now guys, he looked blank when I asked him why he had not applied for a job. He looked blank means he had an expressionless face, right? When I asked him why he did not apply for a job. And then the pilot sometimes occupied her blank days. Blank days means her free days. Free days. Reading detective novels. Carefully, guys, please concentrate. Have you followed what you have to do? Yes, I hope there is no confusion in this. Yeah, guys, fine. We'll move on to the next one. Look at this one. He is looking forward to the coming football dash. The ship was found dash away from the shore. Please be careful before you choose. You need to be careful, guys, because these, as easy as it looks, at times it is not. So think carefully. Nothing, you should never do anything in a haste. Always think and do whatever, anything comes in life. Don't be in a haste. Think and then do it. You'll benefit from it, right? Chalo, karo karo fatafat karo. I'll give you just another 50 seconds before we start discussing. Is anyone finding it confusing? Not able to figure out? Okay. Now I'll start discussing. So he is looking forward to the coming football league. League is what? League is a federation, right? He's looking forward to the coming football federation. It can be a union or a federation, right? And here the ship was found a league away. A league away. League here, it indicates a unit of measurement. This is a unit of measurement. Yes, that's what it is. ठीक है? Clear है ना सबको? So the ship was found a league away from the shore. I think I missed out that there is a typo error. I missed that A there. So please figure that out. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, I'll move out to the next one. Quickly. Think and then answer, guys. We have about 5 to 7 minutes more. So we need to finish another 2 questions. So here also you have to do the same thing. Use the same word in both the blanks. The meteorologist said that he would have an afternoon dash When my aunt visits, she likes to dash me with gifts. Yes, guys, please think and answer. I'll just give you another minute. Yes, please, can we start discussing, guys? Yeah, so the meteorologist said we would have an afternoon shower. Shower is here. What does shower mean? One sec, guys, there is a problem with the pen here. One sec, one sec. Sorry about this, guys, a little problem with this. Okay, so just let me do this again. Okay, she likes to shower. Yeah, so here it will be shower. The meteorologist said that we would have an afternoon shower, indicating a rain. And when my aunt visits, she likes to shower me with gifts. Shower me with gifts in the sense she likes to give me a lot of gifts, right? So this is your correct answer. Then we'll move on to the next one. Guys, this is the last question of the day. Jaldi jaldi karo. We have just a few minutes left. So you should dash your voice against corruption. And the next one is, how much more money do we have to dash for a cause? So I think this is a relatively easy one. I just give you half a minute and then we can discuss this question. Yes, guys, मालूम हो गया होगा ना, ये easy है ना comparatively. ठीक है. So here is obviously this is an obvious choice, which is the fourth one. You should raise your voice against corruption. That means you should protest. Here, raise your voice would become what? Protest against corruption. And then in the second one, how much more money do we have to raise? Raise means we have to collect for our cause. So probably for a good cause, we have to collect some more money. Right? I think we are almost done with our session, guys. Great. And do not forget to give me a give me the information about what kind of topics you need in the coming weeks. Accordingly, I will schedule my sessions, and also, yes, I will do a session on the tone of RCs. That's for sure. That's a promise to you. Please do not forget to like and share this video as much as possible. Do not forget, guys, otherwise you just forget and you move on to the next session. Amazing, guys. Super. So you know the timing, so I don't need to repeat this. So guys, the Unacademy subscription, very, very important for you, because the CAT exam is soon approaching and you do require help, as it is not a very easy exam. So let us help you, because if you take the subscriptions, there will be live classes, there will be a one-on-one interaction with your educator, and we will also, for every question we ask you in the class, there will be a live poll wherein you know whether your answer is right or wrong, and the leaderboard tells you your position in class. class. So it is very good for you. You know how you are faring in the class. And guys, you know that test series form an integral part of your CAT exam, and unless you take at least 24 tests, mock tests, it will be difficult for you to crack CAT. And you know, it does not only involve how you answer, it also requires time management, isn't it? So please go ahead and take the subscription, because the test series is included in your subscription, and then you will have your live doubt clearing session. So in our plus classes, every third session is a doubt clearing session. So you must go ahead and take the subscription, guys. I am starting a new course on grammar. Those who are weak in grammar, I'm starting the course from 19th. So you can go ahead and take the subscription, so that you can join me exactly on the 19th for the classes. And you just have to follow 2 simple steps, guys. Just go to the Unacademy Learning app and download, go to Play Store and download Unacademy Learning app and install. That is easy. Look for the plus course. Your goal is CAT, and here in the plus course, guys, you have 30 plus hours sessions every day. So it is up to you which session you would want to attend, which you are weak in. So you can attend as many sessions as you want. That's your choice. And then we have very structured courses in English as well as in Hindi, so you have a flexibility there. And there will be 14 educators who will be there on the platform to help you. Please go ahead and take the subscription, because we don't have time. You should not waste any more time, guys. You know that the subscriptions are really pocket friendly. So for 1 month it is just 3,500. For 3 months it is 2,917. 6 months is just 2,333. 12 months 1,458. And as you have a longer duration, 24 months, it's just 875. The amount reduces. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and take the subscription. And on top of that, if you apply my coupon code, you will get 10% off too. So please go ahead, guys. Do not waste any more time. And guys, so it's not only CAT, there is NEET, JEE, 9, 10, 11, 12, all available on Unacademy. Yes, so again, guys, I'm reminding you, do not forget to like and share. Please like and share as much as possible, and subscribe to #CatLiveDaily. Please subscribe to #CatLiveDaily. Yes, guys, amazing. So do not forget to use my referral code BYLIVE and avail 10% discount. You guys were amazing, and I had a lovely time conducting this class. Have a great evening. Until tomorrow, bye bye. Take care.